Hi there, reaction number 5. This reaction will be between aluminum foil and what's in this test tube here, which is aqueous copper chloride. Okay, we're going to simply stick the aluminum foil into the copper chloride solution, copper 2 chloride to be more specific. And the aluminum foil is wrapped around the end of a thermometer so we can see what happens to the temperature when the reaction starts occurring. So it's starting at about 19 degrees. The aluminum is now in the copper solution. It takes a bit of time for that to happen. So we don't see a lot happening yet. Not a lot visually, but in looking at the thermometer, you can see we are now over 20 degrees. So the temperature is rising, must be rising for some reason. Okay, and in the test tube, start to see some changes happening. There's some bubbles forming on the surface of the aluminum. There appears to be some dark spots. The dark spots that are forming there is elemental copper. The aluminum here should eventually get eaten away. And I don't know if you can tell in the video, but the color of the solution started out as a blue color, and it's becoming a little less blue as the reaction is occurring. Eventually it would become colorless. The temperature is now at about 23 degrees, so we've gone up 4 degrees. You see lots of bubbles now. The bubbles in this case are not because we're forming a gas in the reaction, it's actually the heat generated from the reaction that's creating the bubbles. It's just water vapor bubbles that are forming there. This reaction does not produce a gas. I'm going to shake the thermometer with the aluminum foil so I can pull it out and you can see the little bits of copper, elemental copper, that have formed and are still in the solution there. Okay, they won't dissolve. There they are floating around. We've made elemental copper.